videos, I wanted to create a video showing you guys how I prep my wigs / units. I'm going to be using Sunber hair, and I will have all the details on this hair in the description box below, as well as a coupon code. But I wanted to branch off and try a different texture. So this is loose wave, and it's in 18 inches, and then I have 2 and 16 inches, and then I have a 14-inch closure. You guys know I am just way more fond of closure units instead of frontals, because frontals are just so hard. But this is how the closure is looking. I did end up plucking it just a little bit. I didn't show me creating the unit only because I'm still practicing myself, but I really liked how it came out. The texture is beautiful, and the bundles are really full because I did use all 3 bundles, but I did have a little left over. But I'm just basically going to tell you guys how I prep this unit and get ready to style it and all that good stuff. So I did shampoo it and condition it, but after I did that, I am testing out these 2 products as far as taking care of your wigs. And so this is like a solution that you soak your unit in. I will have the details on this pretty soon, but I'm just testing it out for now and I wanted to show you guys. But I really do like this because you're going to see when the wig is in it, it already has like a film that's like over the water. And one thing for sure, I do not put the units on my head until I wash it. But the fact that this got like any other extra stuff off of it was really unique to me, because it almost made it seem like you had to shampoo it twice. But yes, this is the full unit in there, and I just let it sit in there for about 15 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. Then I followed up with the hair balm that they gave me, and I just put that throughout the hair, and this is how the unit looks after it is washed. It's damp right now, but I am going to blow dry it and basically straighten it, and that's really, all I do to prep my units. And as far as my real hair, I do 2 French braids. That's how I just get it as flat as possible. But I do have a video after this showing you guys how I do the elastic band method, all that good stuff. So make sure you pay attention to that at the end of this video. It will be on the end screen. But basically, I'm just taking my blow dryer now, going through it, making sure it's dry. And then I'm going to take some heat protectant spray by Chi and spray that throughout the unit, and then straighten it with my Chi flat iron. And basically that is it, you guys. So I love the bundles. It was really soft. This is probably my favorite unit. But make sure you guys watch the next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.